Okay, we good to go? Yep. Okay, thank you all for coming. We want to update you on the relationship between us and the Bathurst 1000. K&N Performance Air Filters 30% off. 4 litre Castrol Magnatech Stop Start 10W30, 50% off now, $32.49. Maguire's 450ml Ultimate Compound, $23.99 each. Sorry, that is absolutely the wrong memo. So, where's the? Yep, organised. So, firstly, we would like to inform you that despite our pending split with our long-term partner Bathurst 1000, we are doing swell. You know what they say? It is better to have loved and lost than to never contact free click and collect. I'm missing a card. Sorry. Okay, it's official. Next year, Bathurst is dropping our name and taking another sponsor's name. William Shakespeare. That's not the name. That would be weird, wouldn't it? The William Shakespeare Bathurst 1000. It's not. William Shakespeare once said, "A rose by any other name would smell as sweet." But to that I say, that's dumb. Roses are dumb. So, but hey, good for them, you know. Plenty more fish in the sea. It's clear that Bathurst have clearly moved on, so, you know, it's time that we move on too. And so with that, we'd like to officially announce, that we are officially single and ready to mingle. Hold for applause. Not meant to be reading that bit. So if anyone you know is looking for a lucrative sponsorship deal, hit us up. Oh, God. Oh, my kid. No, it's not over. I can't. It's never going to be over, Bathurst. I miss you. You know, I'm a mess. I can't sleep. I can't eat. I can eat, but it's not the same. It doesn't taste the same. Food's not as good without you. I mean, it's still good, but it's not like the same sort of good that it was when we were in a relationship. You know, it hasn't changed our taste perception per se, but it's just, look, I'm getting caught up on the food thing, but the point is, was this something we did? You know, or at least give us a, it's not us, it's you line. Like, come on, just unblock my number, because I want to hear your voice. Oh, sorry, that was probably smidge unprofessional, so just sorry about that. As well as being happily back on the market, we're also happy to announce that at Supercheap Auto, you can now purchase your items online and conveniently collect them contact-free. And this is across all Australian and New Zealand stores as part of the Never Loved It All. Damn it. Okay, I'm just going to call it there, guys. Thank you so much for coming in today. It's all going very well. We'll see you tomorrow. It's my lunch.